Our skies have always held a sense of wonder. They are a vast canvas upon which the universe paints its celestial wonders. But lately something unusual has been happening above our heads. Strange lights and unidentified objects have been spotted, sparking curiosity and concern. From the bustling cities of New York and New Jersey to the quiet countryside, reports of mysterious orbs and drones have become increasingly common. These are not your everyday sightings. Witnesses describe these objects as defying easy explanation. They move with a speed and agility that seems to surpass known technology. Their origins are unknown, their purpose a mystery. These sightings have captured the attention of not just casual observers, but also government agencies tasked with protecting our airspace and national security. The emergence of these unusual aerial phenomena raises many questions. Are these simply advanced drones, perhaps deployed by foreign adversaries? Or could they be something more extraordinary, hinting at technologies beyond our current understanding? The answers remain elusive, shrouded in a veil of secrecy and speculation. One thing is certain, these sightings have ignited our collective imagination, reminding us that there is still much we don't know about the world, and perhaps beyond. The objects sighted over New Jersey and New York are particularly intriguing due to their advanced capabilities. Witnesses describe large silent drones, some the size of SUVs, maneuvering with an eerie precision. These are not your typical hobbyist drones, easily purchased online. These objects seem to possess technology far exceeding anything commercially available. One of the most unsettling details is the reported ability of these drones to go dark when observed. Imagine a craft hovering silently in the sky, suddenly vanishing from sight as if aware of being watched. This suggests a level of sophistication and stealth that is both impressive and unnerving. What are these objects capable of, and who is controlling them? Adding to the mystery is the sheer number of sightings. On a single Sunday, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy confirmed 49 separate reports of these mysterious drones. These sightings are not isolated incidents. They represent a pattern of activity that demands attention. The objects have been observed over military bases, government facilities, and even private residences, raising concerns about potential surveillance or even more nefarious purposes. The mystery deepens with every new report, fueling speculation and a growing sense of unease. The increasing frequency and unusual nature of these sightings have not gone unnoticed by authorities. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, has taken a leading role in the investigation, particularly regarding the drone activity over New Jersey and New York. The FBI's involvement underscores the seriousness of the situation. These sightings are not being dismissed as mere hoaxes or misidentifications. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, responsible for the safety and regulation of our national airspace, has also taken action. Temporary flight restrictions, TFRs, have been issued over sensitive areas, including military installations, in response to the drone activity. These TFRs are not implemented lightly. They indicate a real concern about the potential threat posed by these unidentified objects. The government's response suggests that these sightings are not isolated to the United States. Similar reports of unusual aerial phenomena, including both orbs and drones, have emerged from other parts of the world. Of particular note are the sightings near UK military bases, mirroring the activity observed in the US. This suggests a potential global dimension to the phenomenon, raising questions about international involvement or a shared technological advancement. The mystery of the orbs and drones is no longer confined to a single country. It is a puzzle that seems to span the globe. The public's fascination with these mysterious sightings has only grown. People are eager for answers and theories abound. Some believe these objects are advanced military technology, while others suggest extraterrestrial origins. The truth, however, remains elusive. As investigations continue, the search for answers drives us to look deeper into the skies and question what we know about our world and beyond.